polisi yacero mu mwanya ogu ngo hatakajeho baretaho akimucero hamwe no kuhenda engendero ya Uganda Police Order Management Act. Mukuru wa polisi wo muri Kisoro Richard Musisi yahamye ebi kandi yagira ngo aba babire batino rusa okurwa mu office ya IGP wa Uganda Police eri kubikirizo kugira ho ruterane.
So nominations were done and the people who are aggrieved claim the nominations were irregular, they were biased, and to that effect here they claim they purport to have written letters to the DPC asking for a peaceful demonstration or whatever, meeting at the Mayor's Gardens. However, I don't know about the purported permission granted by the DPC or the District Committee of KISORO, and that way the meeting turns out illegal.
Najangu baba nibenda kwesharinga babanze bahandikire office ya IGP niko police baho bukumi.
The letter I don't know the mastermind as of the purported demonstration, but I want to just advise them to follow the right procedures as per the Public Order Management Act. It clearly stipulates the period within which to write to notify the Inspector General of Police so that you carry out your intended demonstration or meeting.
Wikeji harihe baroha eri kutambara hamu kutuyempuruzagana eruho amazina g'abakuristaayo bamwe omu diocese ya Muhabura barukuhandikira Bishop Kazimba Samia Omugalu barukumushaba kwa bayemerizo kutora n'izina rumwe aha amazina agbamuhorrize.
So for now we have deployed our men at in town, at Mayor's Gardens and the areas surrounding the municipality, because we think such a demonstration will come with confusion.
Ebi nibyijaho bwanyuma ya Bishop Cran Makumuro mwako guhwire ahabwe nshonga zitari kwetegerezebwa kandi ziri mu koti. Gasha kwa Kate atzarirwe omuri Kisoro.